Hello students, now that prelims is over, the most important thing for you is obviously mains, and in the mains also the most important aspect is optional. For philosophy optional, the most crucial aspect is revision and answer writing. Considering that in mind, we are coming up with a crash course coupled with test series. Now, the demand of your orientation revision is taken care by the lectures. It will have 20 lectures and it will be followed by the 6 sectional tests and 2 comprehensive tests. Obviously, it will automatically be coupled with the personalized guidance, mentoring whenever it is required, so that the target of 300 plus in philosophy optional is reached. So I hope that you take benefit of this scheme of things that we have, the course, and hope to see you in the class. Thank you.